Hello everyone, welcome to External Expert, and today I'm going to tell you a few tips on how to maintain your personal expenses. Hey guys, this is Sandeep, a co-founder of External Expert and also a digital marketing consultant. Today I'm going to speak about money management. So I think this is one of the key things where a lot of people are actually missing out, and a lot of people actually suck at it as well, because at end of the month we won't have enough money to maintain our expenses. So step number one, always have a budget and make sure you always stick on to the budget. I do understand it's going to be difficult in the beginning, but as you do that, it becomes much more easier than what you think. Step number two, keeping track of your daily expenses or your monthly expenses is very crucially very important for you guys. So what you need to do is make sure that you make a note somewhere, maybe an Excel file or a Word file, every month or every day that you spend on your daily expenses, so that you can understand what or where you're spending the most and try to reduce that. Step number three, understand your income and try to reduce your expenses lesser than your income. Because what happens is your income is actually a fixed base that you receive, and your expenses should be always lesser than your income so that you have enough savings at the end of the month. Step number four, control your debt and get rid of it as soon as possible, because this is a slow poison which actually kills your savings. And also, if you have any credit cards with you, make sure you don't actually overspend it or unnecessarily use it whenever you need it. Always try to avoid credit cards. So guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys all loved it, and this video actually tells you how to control your money and also how to actually understand how to keep your expenses intact. So do not, just one last tip which I want to tell you guys is, do not overspend what you have. Always make sure you have enough savings for your future. So guys, if you like this video, please do like, share and comment, and if you have any questions, please do comment below. And see you soon in the next upcoming video. Till then, see you, bye, and this is Sandeep signing off.